Hello, I'm Jessica, e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to center align your columns when you're using Excel. So I have here a document, and the first thing I'm going to do is separate out my columns a little bit so I can see. And you know, this ticket sold column here, with it all aligned to the right, it might be easier to see if I aligned it to the center. So I'm just going to select the whole column and can just use the alignment tool right here, center, and it's done. All right, let's say I want to do a whole bunch of them at once. Just highlight them all. There you go. Really just that simple. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.